At this one point in my career, I was working with a very, very high-end boxer. This guy, he wanted to be the world champion. That was his goal. This guy was living it. I mean, he was in it. Every day, 7 days a week, he was punching the bag, punching the bag, punching the bag. He was eating all the right foods, taking all the right supplements, surrounding himself with all the right coaches and mentors. I mean, he lived it. One day he was put in the right ring. He was boxing. He was bobbing, weaving. Everything that he wanted, everything he'd learned was just second nature to him. And what happened? He hit the right guy in the right way, knocked him out. Well, this guy is now the champion of the world. He's the champion of the world. How many people get that opportunity? How many people achieve that kind of success? When you actually achieve that goal, that's where the real work starts. That's where it becomes completely different than you could ever imagine. Now, all of a sudden, this guy, this boxer, who is now the world champion, who's been living, dreaming, doing everything he can to achieve a goal, had no idea how to live that life once he did achieve it. All of a sudden, he's got friends that he never knew he had. He has relatives that he never knew he had. He's got sponsors. He's got management. He's got to be at all the right parties, all the right events, all the cool stuff that everybody thinks, hey, that's exactly what I want. I want to be one of the cool kids. Yeah, okay, fun, wonderful. But how do you maintain that eye of the tiger? Achieving the goal and maintaining it are two very different things. And this is what we see in the world all the time. What type of a lifestyle are you working towards if you're losing who you are in the meantime? For over 30 years, my passion has been helping others to achieve their goals in the most efficient and effective way possible, while at the same time ensuring the real you. That's why my book is called Be You. It's all about discovering the real you so that the programs, strategies, systems, and lifestyle that you design actually fits for you. And when a program is developed that way, then it's very easy to maintain. Life all of a sudden becomes very easy. And maintaining your goals, living in that lifestyle you have worked so hard to achieve, now is the lifestyle you love. So join me now and really live the life you love in the body you love to live in. I'm Reg Lenney, and I look forward to seeing you very soon.